Hello everyone, welcome to Badgeskins. So here we'll be doing an install on the front smooth emblem of the FK8 Civic Type R. First thing you want to do is that you want to clean the whole front badge, especially in the crevice between the badge and the badge housing itself. And you want to make sure that it's nice and dry. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take the alcohol wipe and really get back inside that crevice to really take out any dirt, and then just wipe it dry again with a microfiber cloth. So from here, once it's prepped, all you have to do is take your badge skin and you're just going to remove it from the backing. So here, this is a red-black combo, and all we do is just remove it. And it comes with the tabs on the side, so it's perfect for you. All you have to do is line it up at the top here and also to the sides. So as you can see, you just want to make sure that you cover the chrome part of the badge at the top here, and at the same time what you can do is let it fold down, and you want to make sure it's equally covered on the corners and the sides. So first thing, you want to check the top alignment, and then you want to check the two corners and side alignment to make sure that you got full coverage of the badge and that you're not leaning one side or the other. So once you're comfortable with your alignment, you can go ahead and start the install, and by simply just start squeezing it down from the middle out. Pretty well, you just gotta work from the middle out, and you gotta go towards the side or to the edges. So you want to work all the way towards the edge and right toward the part where it starts to curve on the edge of the badge, and you're going to keep working that all the way around. Once you've tacked everything down to the edge, you can start removing the masking. Remove it at 180 degrees, and at this point you're going to need the heat gun. You want to start off at the corners. So pretty well, you just gotta heat up the vinyl real quick. You don't want to hold it in one spot too long, and then you're gonna start working the corners first, and you're gonna start pushing the vinyl or squeezing it towards the back of the badge. You're gonna keep on with this process towards the corners first, and you want to squeegee the vinyl away from the corner towards the straight portion. And what we'll do is we'll keep tacking it down until we get to the straight part. So what you're gonna do is just use the heat gun and keep working the corners and also towards the straight edge. And you just kind of want to squeegee the vinyl towards the back. Once you got a majority of it folded around the bend, you can take your squeegee and start really working out those like wrinkles or the bottle capping of the vinyl. But it's pretty simple. All you have to do is just kind of gently just start kind of like squeegeeing and moving it to this and cutting the vinyl down and in towards the back of the housing. If you don't have one of these squeegees, you can get one from our website. Don't be afraid to really dig your squeegee in there and really get that vinyl wrapped around the badge edge, just to make sure you got a nice, clean, and adhered vinyl to the edge of the badge. Another option you can use is also a cut-up credit card or a micro squeegee, but in this install, I'm using one of our Badgeskins squeegees. So as you can see, I'm really being careful here. I just want to make sure that I get all the edges. So that's why once I've completed the install, I'm going around that edge again with the squeegee, making sure that vinyl is tacked down. And then I'm going to do a quick heat treat to make sure all the vinyl is adhered and tacked down. And this is a great way to give that front emblem a new look. Thanks for watching.